Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp. So simply open the WhatsApp app. So here you can see on the right top side three dots button, simply click here. Now just go to settings. So when you move to settings, just go to account. Now you have to select privacy option. So here you can see the last seen option. So when you click on nobody, so you will be appeared offline. So simply just select this and go back. Now here you can also turn off this option read receipts. So simply when you turn this off, no one can understand that your message has been read. So simply now what you need to do, just simple step, go back and just click status, and now here go to status privacy. Now simply you can select here only share with, and now select nobody and just click on yes button. So in this way you can simply turn off all the option to appear offline on WhatsApp.